If you look at this question here, what do you know? The what? The standard form, yes. That means you can extract what kind of information. The y-intercepts, you know that it's equal to -8. And what else do you know? Upside down, right? The parabola opens down, but where is the vertex? Is this something you can factor? Doesn't seem like it. Okay. Now, but what we want to do though, we want to factor out the negative so that we can have an easier time to look at the quadratic. Actually, we just need to factor out the negative from the first two terms because we're going to do completing the square. Okay. So we say what? We say, yeah, we're going to add a number here. What number should we add in this case? Will be +4 because you divide this number by 2, which is 2, and then you square that number, which gives you 4. So if you add 4 here inside the parentheses, that means you have to subtract what? Well, not exactly 4. You have to subtract -4 because there's a negative out there. All right. So meaning that you are, when you wrote +4 inside the parentheses, in terms of the whole big picture, you are not really adding 4. You are just subtracting 4. So at the end, you've got to add it back. So you have -x minus 2 squared minus 4 as your vertex form. And so that means your vertex is located where? +2 comma -4. So right here. Okay, +2 comma -4. And it is opening down. So you can use your 1, 3, 5 here. And you would go ahead, construct your graph. And since y is less than, we will shade the region below. Okay? You shade the region below. All right. I will promise you something here. For the questions that you will see on the quiz on this topic, it will not have any other a value, okay, other than 1 and -1. Okay, it would only be 1 or -1. Okay, so make sure that you are well aware of it. Okay, and if it's not in vertex form, I would strongly recommend you that you get the vertex form so that you can actually make the graph a lot easier. And again, the idea is the same, and we will use the same thing, same idea about inequality for the future topics as well. Okay, for the future topics as well.